Up for sale, 1974 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 74 Corvette, finished in dark brown with beige interior. 350 factory 4-speed, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, tilt column, T-tops, factory air. As always, I'm going to go around it, but anything I do see, tell everything I do know about it, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So of course, we'll start here in the front as always. And definitely from 73 to 82 Corvettes, the nicest one I've had. I've had some nice cars, but this one specifically, the quality of the paint, the condition of the paint, the interior, you know, being a 4-speed car, keeping the unique color for the year, not just going with red again or yellow or orange. So let's start here in the front at the nose, which you're going to see a couple little water spots in here. I tried to clean it out the best I could. A little bit of buffing compound like you see in some of these crevices, but the nose is super nice. The quality of the paint, it's really close to show, I'll tell you. The color is deep, because there's a little bit of pearl in there for that dark brown. It lays perfectly. The fitment of everything when you're looking at it is how you want it to be. And again, that is a lot of buffing compound that you're making out in some of these jams, stuff like that. All the glass is mint, the interior is mint. It is not matching as far as the engine. The transmission is. The only 2 blemishes in this whole section of the car. It was supposed to be a 34,000 mile car, but I can't, if it had the original engine, I could argue for it, but without it, I have no idea. I mean, it could have gone bad in year 2, for example. The interior makes me still feel like it is. The chassis makes me feel like it is, but I have no documentation, so now it's just a lot of hearsay. But let's pop the hood here. I mean, look at the interior on it. These seats are definitely redone, and they're so soft. Anyway, keep going. A second here, let me prop it up. First off, under hood, nice and correct. So again, when I see that, I start to think, could it be? But again, it's not the original engine, so it's got a little bit more pep to the step. Polished intake, Holley carb, brake booster master cylinder for the power 4-wheel disc brakes, stock exhaust manifolds. I do see some markings here on the alternator. I never ever look into those, but cool to see. I like that they kept the ignition shielding on there. I could make out a flamethrower coil, but it's clean all the way around. Really nicely finished in here in the jam as well. Both sides. Sorry, a little bit of dust, but really nicely painted in there. AC, so let's talk AC. Charged it. It had a little bit in, charged it. It blows cold. Blower works. However, that does not mean in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months that it will continue to work. So it's currently working. We're all, you know, fingers crossed, hoping it continues to. Learned my lesson over the years with that, so might as well just put it all out there. But let's fire it up. Did you guys hear it run? I mean, even like your handles are super nice. It does have the luggage rack. That's mint. There's no pitting on there. It's got every little rubber cap as well. None are missing. Again, you know, speaking low mile stuff, seeing these tags in here makes you think. Because I do believe this is original paint. Because again, they're not painted over, the bolts. There's no... Doesn't look like there's a paint line either. Weather stripping's nice. But anyway, one thing at a time. Anyway, already got the e-brake on, put the clutch down, couple pumps. Make sure we're good to go. Okay, and we're gonna go down the driver's side of the car. Which really is not gonna take us too much time. How nice this all lines up in here. Sorry, a little bit of compound. Moldings look nice. You can see here, always a common area. Some little, well, it's a little grime, but a couple little, you know, door edge chips getting in and out. But nice here. You see some fingerprints, but this lines up nice. A little mark right on the inner. A little bit of compound, but nice. And through here, finish all the way down is nice. You can make out a little bit of the compound in this jam here, but nicely finished. And you can make out a little bit of dust on here. Anyway, showing you the door panel, which I do believe to be original. Just a couple little spots right down there, but this is nice. The wood looks like it could be original as well. Nice up here, clean, nicely finished in there. Trim tag is in place. Serial numbers in place. No rust that I can see in this pillar at all. I showed you the seat. Soft armrest. Nice there. No cracks in the dash pad. Got a floor mat for this side to keep the carpet clean. Nice in here. Really nice all in through there. Appears to be mostly original. Carpet's nice in the back. You got the T-top sleeves. Got an extra one of those, which I might just include or throw out. Probably include. This whole back section's nice. You can see a little bit of dust here, but paint's really nice quality, condition. 74 specific bumper. Really nice in through here. You can make out some more little stone chips there. Again, very common area. All the C3s. Because it just juts out a little bit more. Catches some of the stones coming from there. You can see that mirror reflection as I go through there. Again, no painted over bolts. Nice weather stripping. Clean. A little hard to see the door panel here. No, you can see it well. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you'd like to go ahead and check it out. 74 Corvette. Brown, beige interior. 350, factory 4-speed. Power steering, power brakes. 4-wheel disc. Let me just see what comes off and what's... This is all coming off, so nothing here. Yeah, all little like things that picked up from driving it. So thank you for watching, and here we go.
That down? Maybe it is.
Motor mouth. Oh, make sure the e-brake. The e-brake. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah.
So if the engine's been rebuilt, it's a little...
Well, whatever engine is has just more power. I don't know what he's doing.
I got a bumper if you want one.
I wanted to ask you if you were going to sell the back.
Yeah, yeah, it is for sale.
How much?
I think. What do we need? What's the bottom? Oh, yeah. Turn. That's what I'm saying. It's not a...
No.
When they rebuilt the engine, they gave it a little more performance.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
I don't know how to what words to put it.
Yeah. Well, when it came together,
yeah,
it has nice performance.
300 horse, 325 horse. 300 horse, and this is
Oh, that's what I was going to say.
more
Hey,
performance.
Picture a mid-year coupe in this color
Yeah.
with this color interior.
Yeah.
The brown with the beige. Wow, that would look amazing. And a set of gold lines. Wow.
So this is like a 350. Runs like a 350 horse.
Yeah, but it's probably 300, 325. They feel faster in these cars.
What's he doing with the camera?
I don't know, but you see that? Look at that. It's flat. That
Yeah.
electric pickup.
Is it?
Yeah.
What was Harrison driving?
The big Range Rover.
Oh, that's the one Rich was gonna go look at.
The big black one? Oh, wow.
It's got.
Oh, gosh.
Sorry for the long light, but we'll make up for it.
With a spirited
A
drive.
little spirited shifting of the gears in a U-turn. We should go see the Mustang.
It's probably done.
We should go tomorrow,
Oh, I'm not going.
right?
Too busy going by 90.
Rosie's going to hit Marianne. A little bit of you. Any place?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Of all places.
Look, the left lane's wide open for me too. They knew I was coming. Like, oh, let's move over. Let's park all these white SUVs.
Yeah, I'm going to Turkey.
Steering is nice on this.
Mm-hmm.
Very responsive on everything.
Remember that red one I got from that guy in Georgia? The 73?
You know what would be nice?
It was
on
like
this?
6,000.
I love these wheels. This factory side bike. Not the hooker header ones.
Yeah. That 75 we had it, that silver one.